In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to customize Zoho CRM to fit your business needs. We'll start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, pick the module you want to customize. I'll use leads as the example, but the same approach works for contacts, deals, or any other module you rely on. Hover over the module name and click the three dots to open its options menu. This menu is your shortcut to module-specific settings, layouts, and fields. Choose Fields. That opens the layout editor, where you control how information is captured and displayed for your team. Think of the layout as a form your users will fill out. Keeping it organized and relevant saves time and improves data quality. Let's add structure first. From the left panel, click and drag New Section onto the layout. Sections help group related details together, making the page easier to scan. Give the section a clear name. In this example, type Marketing. Choose names that match your process, like qualification, billing, or account details, so your team instantly knows what goes where. Now, let's add fields. Drag the URL field into the new section. Use this for items like a website, a campaign link, or a form URL you want to reference later. When the field properties open, set a descriptive field label so users understand the purpose at a glance. If the field captures a specific kind of link, type in a clear URL name so it appears consistently on the record. Next, drag a currency field into the section. Currency fields are perfect for budgets, expected spend, or estimated value. Again, set the field label to something your team recognizes. Consistent naming is key. It helps with reporting and prevents duplicate or confusing fields. Add one more field for contact information by dragging a phone field into place. Phone fields apply formatting and validation to keep numbers clean. Provide an appropriate title so users know when to use it. Primary numbers, campaign hotlines, or vendor lines all benefit from distinct labels. When you've arranged and labeled everything, click Save in the layout editor. If a confirmation appears, click Save again to finalize your changes. The layout updates immediately, so new records and edits will follow your structure. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Preview the layout from a user's point of view to ensure it's logical. Keep only the fields you truly need to reduce friction. And use required flags and help text thoughtfully to guide data entry without overwhelming your team. Small, intentional changes here can make a big difference in adoption and reporting accuracy. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.